Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Sonic. We're going to do a full update. As you can see from my analysis right here, my analysis is quite messy. So apologies for that, but trust me, I still can kind of see what's going on. So I'll tell you what I think is most likely. We'll talk about the current situation. Before we get into this video, though, on Sonic, which we'll take a look at everything, right? And I don't think we actually have data. Oh, we actually do. But alright, so before we get into this, I have bought SDS coin yesterday, right here around 0.47. Also gave a signal out for that. If you don't know, I have my own signal group in which I post all of my trades. It's profitable, very useful and educational as well. But that's up to you if you want to join that or not. I'll leave links down in the description. But that's not the point. The point is that I'm therefore biased. All right, I have already taken some profits. And it is in profit, but obviously I'm long. I've bought S, so I want it to continue to move up. So just take that into consideration, and then right now we'll try to provide the best analysis we can. So in general, S has been one of the strongest cryptos in the well, I would argue, and I'm going to delete some of this in the last 24 hours, and that's also very visible if you take a look at the spot volume. Spot volume right now for S is up 96%, even though the market volume is down a tremendous amount. Volume is up to $260 million. That's not as close yet to the volume levels we reached earlier in February when Sonic was also rallying a lot, but it's great. And then outside of that, there's also quite a bit of leveraged volume coming in, as you can see in the last hour, about $12 million. And you can see in general down here that we actually have some leverage coming in, which last time around was also a great indicator of a potential rally, because that's what we're dealing with. We have a potential massive rally coming in here for S, and we have to make the analysis about whether we actually expect this to go higher and what the important levels are. So that's what we'll talk about. Furthermore, talking about some fundamentals here, about the metrics, and then financial. No, do we actually have some usage? No, we actually do not have total value locked. Do we not have the total value locked? Wow. All right. Well, let me let me quickly look up some better data, because I do want to know how the fundamentals are looking for Sonic. They were quite good. Still very good. TVLs at all-time highs right here at $750 million, even though the price is not, which means that there's massive network growth. Very bullish. So fundamentally, I'm already bullish on Sonic. I think the main level that we're looking at right now, which I also highlighted on the chart right here, is this level around, I'm going to make it a bit more clear, is this level around 0.51 and 0.50 in general. All right, I think that's the most important short-term support level, and that's also like we're still gaining that volume right now. Fundamentally, we're bullish. We're still gaining that leverage. The main question right now is, all right, well, the price is trading above that level. Can we actually make this a successful breakout? Because if we can make this a successful breakout above 51.50 cents, then it's most likely we're going to get into that next resistance level, which is around 55 cents. That's the 382 fib of the move down, and potentially into that high liquidity zone right here at 58 and 60 cents. And due to the open interest, due to the volume increasing here, I would have to say technically that it is still most likely, and definitely also with these fundamentals, fundamentals supporting the price, I would have to say that it is most likely that Sonic is going to continue to be bullish, and that this is going to turn into a real bullish breakout in about 2 hours. I think that's when the 4-hour time frame closes when I upload this video, hopefully. So therefore, what I think is most likely is that we're going to, we're going to have those pullbacks we also had yesterday. But that's at least as long as Bitcoin stays relatively stable. The correlation is quite low. And the correlation between Sonic and Bitcoin right now is about 65%. That's quite high, but relatively low. I'd say it's most likely we're going to do something like this. All right, and then after we hit that target at 57, 59 cents, we'll talk about potential further targets and whether we can get back up to those all-time highs, at least after the rebranding. But that's for later. Short term, these are my thoughts. I'll keep you updated on this if you're interested in that. For now, take care. Have a great weekend in advance, and bye.